audio sync on plunger. What is this? Topiary Tree? Toiletry? Topiary toiletry?
Ow! You're not. I thought you were going to stand on this side. Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Today, let's craft a topiary tree using this plunger from the Dollar Tree. Things you're going to need for this little bush tree is this bucket was an ice bucket from Dollar Tree, and it was silver, and I just spray painted it white. And you're going to need some tools. You're going to need a skew stick and what is this called?
Zip tie?
Zip tie, thank you. Duh. And Spanish moss is what I'm using. I already have a pre-made bow that I'm going to use. Some rocks just to weigh my project down. Some burlap ribbon. And I'm using 2 bushes that I got at Walmart of these florals. I was going to use these for Easter on an Easter project, and we ran out of time, but I'm going to use them on this little tree. And let's see, your glue gun, and that's about it. So let's begin. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my marker flowers. Oh no!
You didn't turn it on!
It's been on all day. Oh, it's on. Cut. It's on here, but I've got to get rid of that thing. Okay, friends, got the first blooper out of the way. What I'm going to start doing is I'm going to mark and start with these 2 flowers in the center because I want these to be a little bit higher, slightly higher than the bushes. Okay, so I'm going to add a generous amount of glue, hot glue, now that it's hot. And I'll place that right there. And I cut these off of the bush because they stuck out way too far in the middle, and so I cut them, and I thought I would adjust them to where they would work for me as a marker. And since you do apply a little generous amount of hot glue, you do have to hold it for just a little bit. And friends, I wanted to point out something to you. When I bought the bushes at Walmart, they were this long, and I felt like I didn't need this extra stem right here, so I cut it with some wire cutters, some heavy-duty outdoor wire cutters, and eliminated this piece so it wouldn't get in my way, make it so bulky. Okay, so I'm just grabbing my first bush, and I kind of flattened the back a little bit. Now I'm going to measure, because you don't want it to go higher than those 2 flowers that I just glued right there. So here we go, right there. Let's put lots of hot glue, and it's very, very hot. And you just have to be a little patient and hold it down for just a minute. And don't worry if you don't get it all glued down, because we're going to use a zip tie to make sure it stays in place. Now let's get this other one down. Here's that flat part.
You're going to glue it down too?
Yes. See how these flowers right here are my guide? I don't want to go higher than those 2 right there. So Let's add a generous amount of hot glue. And I think I paid like, I want to say $3.99 for each one of these bushes of flowers, but they'll work with flowers from the Dollar Tree, or you can use any greenery that you have with, just combine whatever you have in your stash and make it work for you, friends, because in the long run, it's gonna be pretty. And you know me, my motto is, it's gonna be okay. Let me see. Oh my goodness, friends, look at that. It's looking so pretty. This would be so pretty for any celebration or for your house. I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, refresh my memory, Eric. How does this go? The slick side
Out.
to the back.
Yep, ribs on the inside.
Okay, I haven't used a zip tie in a while. I'm gonna reinforce it with the zip tie here. Oh yeah. Once I hear that clicking sound, I know I'm okay. And I'm just gonna add a little dab of glue here just to secure the zip tie. Not that it needs it, but I'm going to anyway. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. I get so excited, friends, you know me. Let's see. Do I just cut the whole thing off?
Yeah, slide your pliers. Yeah, slide your pliers all the way down to the, as far as you can go. Push your pliers down. Yeah. Again, they sell some special flush cut where, well, you're getting too far with your pliers. There's a kind of an empty space cavity back there where you won't.
There we go.
There you go.
Thank you for your guidance. Alrighty. Now what I'm gonna do, see, it looks like that, friends. Can you see it? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my ribbon to cover all that up. Add some glue. And I think I'll just start right there. Oh, friends, this is gonna be so cute. I can't wait. Cannot wait to see this finished. Alrighty. Now you just start covering this wooden part. There's no easy way to do this. Just have fun. This is gonna go any way you want it. It wants to go. All right, I'm just gonna add some glue here at the bottom. Ay, ay, ay. Like I said, that's hot. This part at the bottom's not gonna show. All right, look how good that's gonna turn out. Now, friends, here comes the fun part. Go ahead and you turn the bottom part inside out. And now you grab your bucket and you press it in there. Then grab you some rocks or whatever you have on hand. You can use rocks, you can use styrofoam, but you do need a little something to weigh it down with, so the rocks are going to work for me. Oh my gosh, that looks so cute already. I needed some more rocks. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and add, I'll probably go back and add some more rocks to it.
Do you need to go grab some more rocks?
No, that'll be fine.
Do you have a secret rock stash somewhere where you keep all them?
Outside.
Do you magically keep rocks in your craft stash?
No, I don't. But I could just open up the door and grab some. It's too funny.
Friends, just reach into your craft stash and use any extra rocks you've got laying around.
Eric, stop it. Okay, friends, this is a mess, this stuff, and so is Eric. No, I do not keep rocks in my craft stash. Okay, a little hack for you. Look at that. Look how cute that is. A little hack for you, friends. I'm using this shish kebab stick. And I'm going to put a little glue on it. And since my bow is already made,
saved us 10 minutes.
And it's a bow like I made for my Easter wreath. So it's the double ones where I just clipped it on the ends and puffed them out. And I just used what I had in my stash. Okay, I'm gonna let that set for just a minute while I work with these, poof these out a little bit. Oh, I am so happy with this. Friends, it doesn't take a bunch of money and it doesn't take a bunch of time and material. And look what you can come up with. Oh my goodness, these would be so pretty for a celebration, garden party, even a wedding. Can you not see this in a little backyard wedding? This is where the part comes in if you have some extra flowers or extra, I'm gonna stick a butterfly in this. I know I have a butterfly somewhere. Oh, cute, 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 cute. How about I stick this right in here? And see, friends, with the stick glued onto your bow, you just slide it right on in there. Providing the rocks don't get in the way. Come on, cooperate. There we go. Oh, I'm so in love with this. Turned out so cute. You just have to work with it and get the flowers arranged the way you need them to be. Oh, I'm gonna go grab a butterfly. Can I, Eric? Ándale pronto. Uh-oh.
Oh, not the audio equipment.
Sorry, I'm back, friends. Oh my goodness. Eric. This is gonna be so perfect right there. Oops. Let's see. I'm gonna glue it right onto that leaf right there. This is a pretty good sized butterfly. It worked out perfect. Look at that, friends. How cute is that? I love it. What do you think, Eric?
Looks good. Came out awesome from a plunger to that.
And not a used plunger, really.
At least I know if something happens to the toilet, I'll just have to grab that thing.
No, you don't.
That's all right. I'll put it back with rocks.
No, you don't. I'm going to reinforce this bow a little bit here to the tree. What do you think of that?
That'll look better. It looked kind of weird, spaced out on its own.
Mm-hmm. And you know what? I'm just going to... Oh, my goodness. That's perfect. Look at that. I didn't know what I was going to do with these silly butterflies because they were a little oversized for my project that I needed them for. Friends, look at that. Oh my goodness, too cute. I am so excited. What do you think? Comment below and let me know. Friends, I'm gonna be working on the next video. The things I'm gonna be making are, I'm gonna show you briefly.
Here, show them on this side of the tree. I can't see you in this camera.
Well, I can't see, period. Friends, I made these cute little coasters for Easter. This came from a napkin that my dear friend Susan had at a little luncheon at her house, and I grabbed an extra one, and I cut the little bunny out, and I just Mod Podged him to the little tile, and then I used my resin epoxy on it, and look, it turns to glass. And then I just got some of that corkboard. This hot glue is making me crazy. It's all over me. Corkboard that's with the self-adhesive from the Dollar Tree. And what a nice gift that made with a small little glass and a little wine glass and a little wine bottle. It turned out so cute. But what I wanted to tell you is I'm going to show you how I create these, and I'm going to be doing them with pictures, okay? Little keepsake pictures. And this is one of my favorite pictures, and since May is coming up, and that's my birthday month, and it's also Cinco de Mayo, I'm going to show you this is how this is going to transform into one that looks like this. All right, friends.
Oh, you can also tell them that you're about to finally join everybody on the social media and move on to a new platform for you.
Yes, friends. Pretty soon you will be able to follow me on Instagram.
That way you can post a lot of the stuff that's going on behind the scenes, and we can post pictures of your stuff. It would be a lot easier than, I can't always get video updates out as quick as I'd like to, but for you, you'd be able to.
Eric's been wanting me to do this for quite a while, so.
We'll insert it somewhere right in here. We haven't made it for it yet, but by the time this video goes up, we'll just insert right here.
And I know, friends, I've had a lot of people ask me about my dough ornaments. When am I going to make a video on them? Soon, because after this video, or maybe even before this video, guess what, friends? I have a Dollar Tree haul in the making. Oh gosh, friends, I love y'all. Thank you so much for your love and support. And friends, today is a great day to smile and be happy. Love y'all. See you next time.